Hello everyone, today is Tuesday the 17th and I have a couple of trading videos from my funded accounts. One is a $50,000 combine, one is a $25,000 combine. I took advantage of the Apex sale and opened a couple of accounts at 80% off. They're still running that special. They've extended it until Thursday, the 19th, I believe. And so it's 80% off and then 50% off the renewal lifetime. The trades I took today were not possible without the auto trader. There's no way I could have executed as quickly using something like the Dome here. There's just no way I could have moved my orders around and put everything in here with the speed of the auto trader. And also I make use of these buttons, either the trail 50%. Every time you click this, it moves your stop 50% closer, or trail high low brings it to the high or low of the previous bar. So it's very useful. You also have these other buttons. Trail 1 brings it, the stop to the bid or ask. Trail 2 is if you're trading more than one contract, and then set trail stop is if your trail stop hasn't been activated, you can activate it by clicking this button. Anyway, a couple of nice trades, hit my goals on both charts. Let's see how that unfolded. Okay, hello everyone. Today is Tuesday the 17th. I'm looking for a trading opportunity. Not sure whether it's going to be long or short. But I think I'm going to try the long side. And I'm just saying that based on a 30-minute chart. It came down to the volume point of control, and it didn't get far in the last 30-minute bar, so perhaps it's going to come up and test the high of the day. Or it's going to break down below 72. It got rejected at the open here, so looks like it could be a short instead of a long if it breaks down below 72.50. Okay, so we just had a break of 72.50, and I'm going to reassess my strategy here. Okay, the reason I went short is we broke below 72.50, and I'm thinking this retracement here will make a lower high. That said, I'm playing this really tight. And quick change of direction here. Okay, there you have some manual interaction with the auto trader, and I'm halfway to my goal. And I think I'm going to let it go short if it goes short. Well, I didn't have to do much. It hit its goal. So on this Apex account, I am about halfway to my goal. So I made some, really quick decisions here to go short. Based on this price action, kind of vacillating back and forth, and of course the volume profile here. And that turned out to be the right move. So I had 2 winners and 1 loser. And this is kind of how I trade sometimes, interacting with the auto trader. And it's great. As you saw, I trailed my stop, kept moving the stop closer. I just, am very risk averse in that way. It's just, my trading psychology. But that's one of the cool things about the auto trader, is using these buttons and bringing your stop in. Now what I think is going to happen is I think the market's going to come back up and test the high here. Okay, this is a second funded account, and this just took a short really quick. And I am going to trail my stop. Well, it hit my goal that quick. So this is a $25,000 account, and the goal on this was 400, and you can see that was hit in short order.